Welcome to challenge number 196. Today we are going to extract texts and numbers from a mixed text. This is related to challenge number 196. It is provided on my LinkedIn page. You can go there and find the Excel files related to this challenge and a bunch range of solution for this challenge using Power Query, using Excel, Python, DAX and other software. But today we are going to solve this challenge by Power Query. There are a mix of text and numbers, and we are going to extract texts and numbers separately. For this one also the same, but in this case we face with all uppercase texts, but in reality you might face with both uppercase and lowercase. See, this is really easy to extract text from these columns. So let's go add custom columns and say this is the text dot select text. The ID is the first input and the second input is in type any. So let's say list. This is a dot z and close curly bracket and press OK. See, this is the texts, and for the numbers just write numbers. Again, you can use text.select and say on the ID just extract 0. You should put it in the double quotation and then dot 9 and press OK. You can do it like this, or instead of text.select just use text.remove. It's reverse, it's going to remove these characters. These are two amazing functions. You can use it for removing or selecting part of your text. I hope you enjoyed this solution. If you have another solution, just post it on this video.